Rayo's versus Carbone. This is a pasta sauce heavyweight matchup. This is a pasta sauce heavyweight battle. Two of the highest rated, two of the best and most expensive pasta sauces you can buy on the market today. Rayo's and Carbone, famous Italian restaurants that are branching out into different things. Let's find out which one is better. Now, right off the bat, I'm just looking at them here. Carbone is a little darker than Rayo's. Carbone on the right, but we will open them, sample them, and make pasta with them. Definitely get to the bottom of this. Quick view from the top. This is from the back. Carbone is on the right, Rayo's is on the left, so you can see that Carbone is a little darker. If it's going to be better, I don't know. Here's the you can pause this for the to read about ingredients. All right, let's pop the cap. Carbone first. And that's what it looks like. It looks really good. Let's do Rayo's. All right, looks good as well. You got Carbone on the right, still a little darker. And you got Rayo's on the left. All right, take some Rayo's in here. Should be good. Do the same with Carbone. About the same amount. Should be good. All right, this is what it looks like. Carbone on the right, Rayo's on the left, and you can clearly see the difference in color. Carbone, Rayo's. Carbone appears to be thicker and darker than Rayo's. This is Rayo's. There it is. This is Carbone. Mix it up a little bit. There it is. Carbone. So this one's going to be Rayo's. Just going to spread it out a little bit. There it is. This one's going to be Carbone. Completely different, so I can tell them apart. One from the other. Carbone is simmering. It's looking good. I'm going to add half a pasta to it. I'm going to do about half for Carbone. Rayo's is coming up. I'm going to add the other half of pasta to it. Mix it up. So this is Carbone. And this is Rayo's. Rayo's, Carbone. All right, let's plate it. Here comes Carbone. Right in there. There it is. That is our Carbone. Here comes Rayo's. Ooh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Nice and hot. Right next to Carbone. Carbone. Rayo's. I didn't add anything to the sauce. No cheese, nothing. Just plain sauce and the pasta. Trying to get to the bottom of this because this is going to be hard. This is not going to be easy. This is not going to be easy. So Carbone, let me get one of these and just kind of give you the close-up of it. There it is. Same thing with Rayo's. Just a little close-up of the penne pasta. Alright, so this one here, this is the Carbone. Let's test it out, see what it looks like, what it tastes like. As always, tastes pretty good. Just plain sauce and pasta. Plain sauce and pasta, but it still tastes really, really good. Highly recommend it. That's the Carbone. Let's do the whatchamacallit, Rayo's. There it is. All right, definitely a little different. Okay. Definitely a little different. Let me go back to Carbone. Told you guys it's not going to be easy. It's going to be hard. It's going to be really hard. All right. Okay. Remember, at the beginning of the video, I told you that Carbone looks darker, but I'm getting deeper notes out of it. Definitely tastier, deeper. Carbone. Let me go back to Rayo's. I'm gonna go with Carbone. I'm getting more fun out of it. It has a deeper taste. Takes me down. Brings that punch. It's just more fun for me than Rayo's. Rayo's compared to our Carbone's just tastier to me. Because I'm a heavy sauce guy. I like heavy sauces, so I'm gonna naturally gravitate towards tastier, heavier sauces. That being said, Rayo's 9.9, Carbone 10. If you want to spend extra money on a sauce, these two sauces, you can't go wrong. Make some great pasta at home and enjoy your life. All right, that's all I got in this video. See you guys in the next one.